Hi guys, this is Satek from Dotwin.com, and in this video, we'll show you how to fix the issue of being unable to download the OnePlus downgrade firmware. So over the past few months, many have said that whenever they try to get hold of the downgrade firmware, they are getting that this site can't be reached and DNS probe finished NX domain. So why is this happening? Well, the culprit is a DNS misconfig, and the Oxygen OS OnePlus.net is resolving to the NX domain, and as you could see over here, the NX domain over here. So we could easily rectify this issue by simply manually adding a host file entry which points to the Akami's HIP. Here's how you could do the same. So depending on the platform, on Windows, on Linux, Android or Mac OS, you will first have to open the host file. So on Windows, simply copy this path. This is the path. Let's copy it, etc. I will show you why. And paste the path over here. Hit enter, and you are now inside this directory. Now you have to open the host file. So launch the host file and now choose Notepad just once, and now you have to paste the value. I'll show you the value as well. So this is the value. Simply paste the value and hit the Ctrl S to save the file. Now save the file. Once the file has been saved, you are now good to go ahead. That's it. Then in case of Linux, you have to open the host file via the Acceptra host and paste this value as I've shown here. On Android, you will have to first obtain root on your phone, and once you have rooted, you will have to install a root supported file manager app such as Solid File Manager app. Then from here, go to the root directory. Then from root, you have to go to the system Acceptra host. So system Acceptra host file should be here only. So let me just verify it once. So okay, this is the host file. Now choose it, SE text editor only once, and now double tap and type in the value as I've shown you, the below value, this one the value. Type in the value and save the value. On some Android phone, you will first have to make the system partition RW, and only then you will be able to save the value. So keep this point in mind, and making the partition RW requires two methods. Either you could use the fastboot method or the recovery method. Both will work. So it's somewhat lengthy. That's obvious. It's quite a lengthy method, but I have made the video and the steps as well in the guide. You could refer to my guide or the video and get the job done, and only then you will be able to save the file. Moving on, in case of Mac OS, you have to open the terminal, then type in this command till here, and it will now ask for your password. Type in your password, and then it will open this file in a, as you could see, the file is there in the text editor. Now you have to type in this value, and once you have typed in this value in the host file, you have to then hit the Ctrl X, then hit the Y. It will ask you to save the file. So type in Y, then hit enter. The file will be saved, and that's just about it. So once you have saved the file, after opening the host file, once you have added this value and then saved the file, your last course of action is to, if you're using a Chromium web browser, then copy this path, open this path in a new tab, and simply hit the clear host cache. And after that, you could then easily download the downgrade firmware from OnePlus without any issue whatsoever. So just it's a two-step method. In the first step, you have to open the host file on your PC or on your phone. Once you open the host file, simply add this host file and save the value. Finally, just open this tab, and in this tab, hit the clear host cache, and your task stands complete. You will now be able to easily download the firmware. I have verified the steps on a Mac PC, on a Windows PC, on an Android phone, and they are all working well and good. But if you still have any query with regard to any of the steps, do let me know in the comment section, and thanks a lot for watching.